Hi, I'm Jeremy with Jon Wayne Service Company, and today we're going to be performing an AC tune-up for one of our customers. Let's go check it out. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and change the filter for our customer. This one's been in here approximately a year, and it's definitely time for replacement. So next we're going to change out the bulb on the whole home air purification system, and then we're going to open the system up and replace the surface sanitization bulb as well. Okay, so now we're done with the bulb, so we're going to move on to the condensation drain. The normal operation of an air conditioner unit does remove humidity out of the home, so that is a normal operation. We just want to make sure the drain is clear. So the inside portion is complete for today. We're going to go ahead and move to the outside and complete the maintenance. Now we're back outside, and we're going to go ahead and do the maintenance on the outside unit. We're going to remove the top, make sure all the leaves are clean from the inside out. We're going to wash the condenser coils from the inside out as well. We're going to open up the hood out here and check all the electrical components and make sure that they're functioning properly as well. Well, that's it for today. Once again, I'm Jeremy with Jon Wayne Service Company, and if you're in need of an AC tune-up, give us a call or visit us at jonwayne.com.